And here it is, my find from today. I finally have a Super 8 film camera. Now, I wasn't smart enough to bring batteries with me, so I don't know what state this is in as far as functioning. I do believe there is still a battery in here, which is for the light meter, so we probably got some crusties in there to clean up. Before we get too far into it though, we're going to load it with batteries and see what we got. My understanding of this model, there was a version that was built in Canada and a version that was built in Japan. This is the made in Japan model, as you can see right there. It is pretty cosmetically clean. I gotta say the case it comes in is not, however. So it seems the case did its job. We got labels as far as how the battery is supposed to go here. So let's see if we can do our best to follow this. Interesting battery loading. I'm not too worried about the light meter because I honestly will probably tape it over and just shoot this wide open, given that the type of film this was intended for isn't made anymore. And I would rather shoot this at, says f1.8, but I think it was only actually f2. But let's see. I mean, it's close to the mic. See if you can hear anything running. That, my friends, sounds like a result. Well, now that we've confirmed, before I get too busy cleaning and making this look even better, that it works, let's take a look here. Honestly, spotless. I'm not even going to worry about trying to clean this compartment out. Got a couple of scratches down the plastic, which cleaning is not really going to do anything about. Let's get the handle off and see what we got underneath. It's literally just dust that's brushing away with my finger. This is a really clean example. They had $20 marked on it, as you saw from the video. I talked them down a little bit and ended up walking away with it for 15. I think that's a fair price for all involved, considering this is a fairly inexpensive model and there are several examples online. But look at that. Gorgeous. I think the only thing that we're probably going to have to worry about is this right here. I would bet money on there being some kind of battery in there. And this is why you don't let other people get access to your toolkit. Someone has taken my screwdriver. See if we can get this out without it. unfortunately we are correct. There is a crusty old battery in there, and we got some crusties to clean. Not even close to as bad as that Yashica Electro, however. This is coming right off almost instantly. I don't have any of these batteries on hand, so I will have to order a replacement. And I won't bore you with waiting to see me stick a battery in here to see if the light meter works, especially since I likely won't be using the light meter. So the next time you hear about this will probably be the video where I'm actually shooting film with it. But I see no reason to think that this wouldn't work. Just how quickly this is coming clean and how well the rest of this is. Got a few fingernail turns. It's the one spot of rust on the whole thing. Some of the enamel has come off by the serial number. Oh, there's a second spot right there. I should say there was a second spot right there. But again, everything is coming off this very nice. If you can't tell, I'm quite excited. Super 8 cartridges aren't cheap by any stretch of the means. By the time you pay for them, but also then get them developed and converted over to, say, digital medium. Which, to be in this hobby, you gotta be kind of crazy anyway. You're spending all that money to get something on film to then just convert it over to digital. But no one ever claimed I was sane. Found the dirty spot. Down to my last lens tissue. There's a hair stuck on the lens right here. These are plastic tweezers. And it's just as smooth, just as clear in there now. So this is your light meter right here, which I will probably be putting a piece of black tape on. Keep this at wide open. This is your viewing port. And it is a little filthy. I'm just testing, looking through it right now. And she's beautiful. So there you go. One of the quicker restorations I've ever done. And next you see this, I will be loading some Super 8 into it and hopefully getting some shots. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you've gotten this far, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.